Hey, Jeremy here from LATT SEO. In this video, I'm walking through an audit I did for a prospect to share with them a number of different elements that can be improved and cleaned up on their site from an SEO perspective to help them generate more organic traffic, rank better, and likely generate more revenue as well. Let's get into it.
I want to share with you a couple things that I see going on with your website from an SEO perspective that can help you rank better, get more traffic, and likely generate more business for you. So, the first thing on the site itself, for some reason, my video is not showing, which is why I started on the other screen. But the couple things I wanted to just look at here that we'll look at in more detail would be some of the primary target keywords that you wanted to focus on. And then if you had, I know you have specific locations that you focus in as well. But the one thing that I was noticing is you have different subdomains for some of the locations. And then quick note, you have copyright 2023 down here still. So I would recommend having that be automated so you don't have to deal with that every year. But just a quick note there. Now, a couple things to look at on this tool would be related to the strength of your domain and the links coming to it. And the first thing I like to look at is what's called referring domains. And a referring domain is a unique instance of a different website on the internet linking to you. And the reason I look at these and mention these is because Google does. And Google looks at a referring domain basically as a vote of confidence or a trust signal. So as a website owner, you want to have other websites that are relevant and trustworthy linking to you. And as you get more sites linking to you, your DR or domain rating tends to increase as well. Now, this is on a 0 to 100 scale and essentially lets us know how strong or how authoritative a website is. Also, how difficult or competitive a keyword or phrase is likely to be to rank for. Now, other thing I'm seeing here is this chart here. Orange is organic traffic. Blue is referring domains or unique links coming to your site. And it looks like in March of this year, referring domains went from 127 to about 3. So you gained about 200 links in a 6-ish month period. And traffic just continued to decrease aside from one big spike here, but back down. And number of keywords you're ranking for has been on the decline as well. So I'm not sure if this was intentional, the amount of links, if this was something that happened maliciously. Again, not sure exactly what happened there, but this type of rank chart, unless you went viral, which maybe you did, but in general, if that was the case and they were natural and quality links, then you very likely would have been ranking for more keywords and getting more traffic instead of trending the other way. Now, quick caveat, this is not tied into your analytics. This is just third-party data based on the keywords it's tracking that you actually rank for. So I have seen discrepancies in this data, but just wanted to make note of that. So if you are noticing something similar, this could be a reason why the amount of links here that happened and the anchor text and or the structure of those links. So as a quick note here are the links coming to your site, or the anchor text, I should say. And some of these, why soft outdoor basketball courts are a better option. You have 31 links with that exact super long anchor text. So something happened here that is not the correct structure for how links should be generated for your site, and something that I'd recommend having looked at in more detail. But let's look at something more exciting and fun and potential. This chart here shows all the keywords and phrases your site actually ranks for. And you can see here 3,701. I have this sorted by search volume per month. And what I want to do is just look at one opportunity in particular here. And if I scroll down, right, I have it highlighted already. It's backyard pickleball court. And 1,600 people search this every month. You're at position 46. So you're not getting any traffic from this key phrase here. Now, also, I see this, you have a Houston subdomain. So again, if you're interested in help with this, glad to chat with you in more detail, which I'll elaborate on in a couple minutes here as well. But what I want to do is look at this page and this, who's ranking for this, to get an idea as to what should be done to help you rank better for a keyword like this. Because if somebody types in backyard pickleball court, they are more interested than just learning about pickleball or a pickleball court, for example. If we look at the search results now to see who's ranking, what they're doing, you can see you're down here again at 46, remember, DR 17. And if we look at the page 1 results here, we have Versa Court 56, Honeybuilt Home 31, Sport Court 53, Snap Sports 54, Reddit 95, Backyard Pickleball Courts 1, and Quora 92. So you're stronger than one of the sites on page 1 and in the ballpark-ish of number 2. Not exactly, but potentially. Now, the other thing that's interesting here is if we look at the amount of content that the site has, your site is showing 0 content here, but if I go to the page, that's not exactly true. But the other thing here, there is not much content, and it's optimized for custom pickleball courts instead of backyard pickleball court. So that would be one thing to work on, because you can see here, backyard pickleball courts. They have backyard pickleball court. They have home pickleball courts, backyard. You get the point there. You have My Backyard Sports in there as your brand name, but in terms of optimization on the page itself and in the content, that's something you're missing. Now, other thing then would be links. So you can see here, backlinks. Google looks at this not only on a domain basis, but a page by page basis. So you can see here, VersaCourt to their outdoor pickleball courts page. They have 70 unique domains linking to this page specifically, and you have 0. So the other way to look at this is there are 70 other websites on the internet voting to Google that this page should rank for outdoor pickleball courts, and you have no votes. So it's going to be much more difficult for you to rank compared to them. And then, like I said, also you have this as a subdomain for Houston. So not sure if this is only something you serve in Houston or what the strategy is there, but that would be something that I want to look at in more detail as well. And I believe that's it for now. Basically, what I can do for you and what I would do is look at your site and look at all the locations, figure out how that's all structured and set up, and make sure everything is optimized correctly for the best keywords and phrases that would actually make sense for you to rank for, like in this case, and optimize the entire site for you. And then secondly, we can look at content and links as well in terms of what gaps do we have and what needs to be done to help you compete with somebody like VersaCourt or Sport Court or Snap Sports. So if you're looking for help with this, glad to chat with you.
Hope you got some value from that video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. It would help me out. I'd appreciate it. And if you're looking for help with your SEO, fill out the contact form in the description or in the comment section of the video here, and I'll take a look at your website, your details, and see how I can best help you improve your organic SEO, generate more traffic, and improve your revenue as well. And that's it. Thanks.